Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction, or welcome if you are here for the first time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, so here we go. We have here Yumbs. Wow, that's Yumbs. Right, that's the name of the artist. And Simmy is one of my favorite artists. He should be one of your favorite artists too, because you know that voice. Are you kidding me? All right, let's get to it. Even the beats, man, this like Simmy kind of vibe. Okay, what is this video? It's like beauty. This like Netflix type of video, man. This is like Bridgerton, okay? Because if you're reading the chapters, the way you held the light, it's a whole movie. For those of you who don't understand Xhosa, I think she's Xhosa. I think she's I can't say that quickly because I'm not Xhosa. Okay, I think she's Xhosa. She's basically saying the heart loves, or the heart wants what it wants, loves what it loves, or who it loves. So, you know, you try. I don't know. I feel like I ruined the whole song. But anyway, let's just focus on the
When you love, you try.
beautiful stuff, man. I feel like when I turn 50, I should be very rich, and Simmy should still be the same age so she can perform at my birthday. That's my goal. Anyway, nah, it would be nice to see her live one day. I felt like I've been a big fan since I think I started listening to her like a little bit before the pandemic, and then during the pandemic it was like yeah, me and my wife were big fans. So see you at my birthday, see me. Beautiful song, man. If you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, so let's get to the other song. If you guys don't know that Malawi has got a vibe, please go check out some of the videos I've reacted to about the music of the Malawian artists. Like this guys, man, I feel like we are sleeping on these guys. Okay, so go check out those videos I reacted to, and go check out their music as well, because these guys are doing really good job. Thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.